Hey folks, 99 here. This video probably has nothing to do with a lot of the things that I post on this channel, but woke up this morning and although I knew that it was going to be raining, a lot of people say things like, we don't get rain in California and California is barren and dry. It's been raining for a couple of days and it never rains in Southern California. I don't know. It's supposed to rain the entire day today. The entire day. So I think we're all right. If you're in Southern California, hopefully you got your rain barrels out and your catchment systems and your fruit. This won't zoom in very well, but there's some citrus trees up there at the top. A little small dwarf up there in the corner. The old pomegranate tree out of season. Myers lemon tree there. For some reason that tree, I don't know what its problem is. It stays green. It's a dwarf tree. It's a dwarf Myers. It stays green. It'll bloom flowers, but barely any fruit. I fertilize it. I don't know what the problem is with it. Tomato plants, other things, blackberry, lavender. Everything is getting watered. It never rains in Southern California. I think we'll be okay. We've had, well, they say we get about 40 days of rain in California per year. And I think so far this year we've had 4, maybe 5. I think we're okay.